How much should you actually spend on a dog gate? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Mypet North States Paws Portable Pet Gate. This is the Mypet North States Paws Portable Pet Gate, priced at $24.99. What caught my attention is its adorable design and the fact that it's made in the USA. If you want a stylish way to keep your pet safe, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solved your problem. This gate is perfect for doorways and small spaces, expanding from 26 to 40 inches wide while standing at 23 inches tall. The pressure mount design means you won't need tools to get it up, which is a huge plus for quick setups. Plus, the light gray plastic with cute paw prints not only looks good, but is also durable and easy to clean. With over 50,000 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit shaky if pushed hard. Here's the thing though, if your dog is a bit rambunctious, this might not be the best fit. But for small to medium dogs, it does an excellent job. This is perfect for you if you have a small dog and want something easy to install. Skip this one if your pup is a big jumper or tends to push against gates. At under $25, it offers great value for a stylish and functional dog gate. Now, if that slightly wobbly design worried you, the next one on my list might actually be better suited for sturdiness. Product number 2, Mypet Wire Mesh Dog Gate. Next up is the Mypet Wire Mesh Dog Gate, which is priced at $29.99. I was drawn to its sustainable hardwood design. If you want a sturdy solution for your doorways, this one should definitely catch your eye. This gate expands from 26.5 to 42 inches wide and stands 23 inches tall, making it versatile for various spaces. The combination of durable American hardwood and vinyl-coated mesh means it's built to last while keeping your pet safe. The rubber bumpers ensure your walls won't get scuffed up, which is a common complaint with other gates. With a 4.3-star rating from nearly 9,000 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate its quality. Now, some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. So, if you're someone who prefers a quick and easy setup, just give yourself a little time to figure it out. This is perfect for you if you have small to medium-sized dogs and want a gate that looks good and is easy on your walls. Skip this if you're not willing to deal with a bit of a learning curve during installation. At $29.99, it's a solid investment for your home. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Safety First Bamboo Baby Gate. Coming in next is the Safety First Bamboo Baby Gate, also at $29.99. What struck me is its eco-friendly bamboo construction. If you want something that fits seamlessly into your home decor while keeping your pet safe, this is a great choice. This gate fits openings from 28 to 42 inches wide and stands 24 inches tall, so it's perfect for blocking off areas without being too imposing. It features a pressure installation that allows you to set it up quickly, which is perfect for busy households. Not to mention, it's JPMA certified, meaning it meets high safety standards. With a 4.3-star rating from over 4,800 reviews, it's clearly trusted by parents and pet owners alike. However, some users pointed out that it's not meant for the top of stairs due to its pressure installation. That's definitely a safety concern. But if you're using it in doorways or hallways, it really shines. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish gate that's safe and easy to set up. Skip this if you need something that can withstand a lot of pushing or jumping. At this price point, it's a fantastic option for both pets and kids. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more flexible, let's check out the next one. Product number 4, PetMaker 4-Panel Indoor Foldable Dog Fence. Next, we have the PetMaker 4-Panel Indoor Foldable Dog Fence, priced at $52.99. The sleek design really caught my eye. If you're looking for a freestanding gate that doesn't require installation, this one is worth considering. This gate spans 72 inches long and stands 24 inches tall, allowing you to block off larger areas. Its freestanding design means you can easily move around without worrying about damaging your walls, which is a big plus for renters. The lightweight, foldable setup makes it easy to store away when not in use. With 4.2 stars from around 15,800 reviews, buyers love its convenience and style. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit too lightweight for larger dogs. I'll be real with you. If you have a heavy chewer or a large breed, this might not keep them contained. But for small to medium dogs, it's a beautiful option. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, stylish gate that can fit anywhere in your home. Skip this if you have a large, strong dog that might push it over. For under $53, it's a solid buy for its functionality. Now, if you're after a more natural look, the next product is definitely worth a look. Product number 5. Yoke non-painted wood freestanding pet gate. Finally, we have the Yoke non-painted wood freestanding pet gate, priced at $39.99. The natural wood finish and eco-friendly materials really set it apart. If you want something that looks good and is safe for your pets, you should definitely check this out. This gate measures 45 inches wide and stands 23 inches tall, making it ideal for small to medium dogs. It's made from 100% New Zealand pine, ensuring a healthy environment for your pets. The no assembly design lets you set it up straight out of the box, which is super convenient. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 500 reviews, buyers love its simplicity and aesthetic appeal. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't have support feet for stability when freestanding. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a doorway or against a wall, it works beautifully. Just be mindful if you plan to use it as a standalone gate. This is perfect for you if you want an attractive, easy-to-use gate for small dogs. Skip this if you need something that can stand alone without extra support. At just under $40, it's a great value for a stylish pet gate. So, to wrap everything up, we looked at the MyPet North States gate for affordability and style, the MyPet wire mesh gate for sturdiness, the Safety First bamboo gate for eco-friendliness, the PetMaker foldable fence for flexibility, and the Yokin freestanding gate for natural aesthetics. Each option brings something unique to the table, so pick the one that fits your needs best.